the knife?
Girl, you was about to get cut up in here. Ooh.
What in the world is wrong with you?
I just thought somebody was in this house and you sitting up here patting your head. Told you not to put that weave in your head in the first place. How long you been here?
It's my off day. I've been here all day.
Girl. You don't even understand. You was about to die.
Girl, you are crazy. I'm telling you. Whew.
Do me a favor.
What?
Take that weave out of your head or I'm going to cut it out.